Charlie, I found 4 Greek recipes on your website that are perfect for this video style.
They look beautiful, taste great, and are nutritionally sound. This is not diet food. This is real food, built with protein, olive oil, yogurt, garlic, herbs, and fresh vegetables.
Let's start with souvlaki. This is simple grilled protein, usually marinated with lemon, garlic, herbs, and olive oil. That matters because protein helps make a meal more satisfying. And when you build the plate around real protein instead of refined starch, people are less likely to feel that heavy crash afterward.
That's Charlie's way. We don't remove the flavor. We remove the things that work against the body.
Next is Greek lemon garlic chicken. This is the kind of recipe people understand immediately. Chicken, lemon, garlic, olive oil, herbs. Simple ingredients doing real work. No bottled sauce. No hidden sugar. No strange additives. Just a clean meal that tastes rich without needing junk. Now look at horiadiki, the classic Greek salad. Tomatoes, cucumber, onion, olives, feta, oregano, and olive oil. This is why traditional food matters. You get color, crunch, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber, all in one plate. It looks simple, but structurally it supports a better meal.
Exactly. Sometimes the answer is not complicated. It is just real food put together the right way.
And then tzatziki, yogurt, cucumber, garlic, herbs, and olive oil. This is a perfect example of how a sauce or side can add flavor without turning the meal into a sugar-heavy, processed dressing. It cools the plate, adds freshness, and helps make the whole meal feel complete. From what I've researched, meals built with protein, fiber, real fats, and minimally processed ingredients tend to digest more gradually. That is one reason they can provide steadier energy than meals built around refined flour, sugar, and processed oils. These Greek recipes, their PDFs, and many more are on eatwellwithcharlie.com. That's what Charlie's Way means. We keep the comfort. We keep the culture. We keep the flavor, but we rebuilt the meal so it works better for everyday eating. No hype. No supplements. No subscriptions. Just better food choices.
Save this video, visit the website, and tell us in the comments which country you want us to show next. Greek food today? Maybe Italy, Armenia, France, or Turkey next?
Looks good. Tastes good. And Charlie's Way makes it smarter.